Here you're gonna see exactly how much profits can you make from your balance. But before that, safety first. What I want to recommend is this. The amount of money that you deposited, try to double it and then make withdrawal. When you do that, from that point forward, you will be trading with the house money, with the profits money. In that sense, we can eliminate any risk possible. That's the best way. So if you deposited $1,000, make $1,000 profit, then withdraw your $1,000 that you deposited, and in that sense you will have completely no risk. I'm saying this because if you borrowed your money, it's better to give that money back as soon as you can. And if you borrowed money, it's best not to trade with the money that you have borrowed or involve that money into any sense of risk. So to eliminate risk, this is the best way. So now let's talk about how much money can you actually make on day-to-day basis on a COTPS arbitrage trading platform, okay? So let's just talk, let's be real now, let's talk numbers. So I have two accounts. One is my account and one is my fiance's account, okay? We live together, and so she has her account and I have my own account. But I operate on two accounts because, as you know, you can only have one account per person because you need to do the KYC, know your customer, verification with the ID document, okay? So that's why I could identify myself only on one account, which is the bigger account, and then I also have a smaller account, which is my fiance's account, not girlfriend anymore. And she verified her account and I verified my account. So how much can you actually make? But before we jump into the actual numbers, how much can you make from as little as $100, okay? And let's do math, okay? So as you know, COTPS trading platform will allow you to make up to 3.6% every single day. It doesn't sound like much, but it's a lot. It's a huge ROI ratio when you compound your profits every single day, and you can do that. So let's do math. So if you only have $100, just an example, okay? So if you only had $100 and if you only generated 1%, I'm being very pessimistic now. If you have no money, so we have only $100 and we are barely trading, we barely make I know we can make 3.6% a day, but let's be pessimistic. Let's just say we will make only 1% a day. That will make us, let's calculate, $3.4 thousand a year from only $100. And all, but let's put it, okay? Let's put $1,000, okay? From $1,000 we can make $34,000, but remember, our interest rate will not be 1%, it's going to be up to 3.6%. So let's increase it, okay? Let's increase this. So let's say we started from $1,000 and we are again, we are passively trading. As you know, we can trade every 2 hours, okay? So there are 11 cycles a day. So if you trade with 11 cycles a day, you will get a maximum profit ratio, which is 3.6%. It's not going to be over that, okay? But if we are trading passively, okay, and if we have $1,000 and we trade passively, we only take a little bit more than half a trades, so that's going to be around 2% a day. So 2% a day is going to make, from $1,000, is going to make us this amount of money, okay? So now you can see the power of compounding. It's not power of making huge profits instantly. No, it's power of both. It's power of making profits every day, from day-to-day basis, and then compounding those profits to make even more profits. So the profits I made today, for example, okay, it's gonna be less because tomorrow I'm gonna make even more profits. So till about 3 days ago, I was making $3,000 a day, then $3,500 a day. Yesterday, $4,500. Today, it's gonna be, let's do calculations, okay? So today so if I take all the cycles today, okay, let's just do math. 9, 6. So multiply by 3.6%. That's the maximum, okay? Let's be maximalists now. That's 0.036. So okay, I was thinking of making around 5.5K. No, today actually I can make $5,900 profit a day. It's because I'm compounding my profits and my balance, okay, into the trades. So now you can see the power. So now I can make, yeah, so today the maximum I can make is around 5.9K. It's not bad at all, considering it's just day's work passively. All you need to do is simply click on this immediate competition for orders button. But if you are my team member, if you sign up from my website, from this page, you will gonna get free script. And this free script is gonna be a bot, which is gonna automatically click trade for you 11 times a day, okay? Every 2 hours, so there's 11 cycles. So here you can see. So in total, okay, in total I made, in total I was depositing a lot of money, okay, because I was pretty confident about this platform. However, as you know, but now, okay, for me making 5.9K, I don't worry that much that I invested around $140,000, because I know that I'm gonna make more money every single day if I compound my balance. And this is exactly what I'm doing, and this is exactly how I'm generating and how I'm making now 5.9K. So how much will I make tomorrow? If I compound all my profits, then tomorrow I'm gonna make more than I made today. So here we go. So there is absolute, so this basically gives opportunity to make passive income for everybody, okay? If you have $1,000 or $5,000 or $10,000, it's gonna make significant, okay, passive income. But for those who only has limited amount of money, for example, $100, you saw what $100 can do. Can make also significant income. So yeah, so trade safely, trade responsibly. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you need any help with this, make sure that you email me directly. And if you sign up from my website, you will get free script. And the free script is gonna trade this for you automatically instead of manually placing every single of the trades, okay? And I'm gonna show you a separate video tutorial how to use the bot, okay? Yeah, so I thank you for watching this video. I love you all and see you on the other side. Bye bye.